Welcome to our poster Topology-Aware Collective Communication based on Cyclic Shift and Recursive Exchange. The poster is about a library for MPI 4.0 persistent collective communication. We optimize the collective communication for allreduce, allgatherv, and reduce scatter, applying several new features. Mostly, cyclic shift and recursive exchange algorithms are combined in order to accommodate the architectures with multiple sockets per node. But also for one socket per node, our library is highly optimized. We consider multiple CPUs per node, but also multiple GPUs per node.